How to use LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional social network that lets you create a profile that showcases your skills, work experience, and connections to other professionals. To create a profile, you can either search for the LinkedIn website or install the LinkedIn app. Once you've signed up for a free account, you can put in your skills and work history and connect with others you might know in the workplace. You can also join professional groups for areas you're interested in working and follow people who post interesting content about those areas. There's also a section for jobs where you can easily apply using your LinkedIn profile, and you can tell recruiters if you're open to job opportunities on your profile. Let's quickly check what you learned.